Prepare to see motion redefined, 100 kilometers per hour. To a human, it's a highway speed. To a cheetah, it is a biological reality reached in just 3 seconds. But the cheetah isn't just fast. It's a living masterclass in biomechanical efficiency. It uses its spine, limbs, and paws in ways that defy conventional engineering. We are about to dissect the physics behind nature's ultimate high-performance design, unveiling how its unparalleled agility is now providing the blueprint for the future of robotic movement. The secret to the cheetah's stride isn't just in the legs, it's in the back. Unlike the rigid frames of our current machines, the cheetah possesses a slinky-like spine. During a sprint, the spine undergoes extreme flexion and extension. As the cat hunches, it stores elastic potential energy. As it reaches, that energy is released like a giant spring, catapulting the body forward. This allows the cheetah to increase its stride length by nearly a meter without moving its legs any faster. It is a masterpiece of segmented power, where every vertebra contributes to a localized explosion of kinetic energy. If the spine is the engine, the limbs are the ultimate suspension system. A cheetah's shoulder blades are not attached to a collarbone. They are held by muscles, allowing the shoulders to slide freely. This independent suspension maximizes shock absorption and extends the reach of every leap. Then, there is the landing gear. Unlike other cats, cheetahs have non-retractable claws. They function like the cleats on a sprinter's shoe, providing permanent traction for explosive starts and hairpin turns. In the world of biomechanics, this is the perfect marriage of grip and glide. Nature has spent millions of years perfecting the physics of movement. If you find the intersection of biology and technology as fascinating as we do, join our community. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the breakthroughs that are bridging the gap between the wild and the laboratory. Now let's see how this cat manipulates the very laws of physics. High speed is useless without control. At 90 kilometers per hour, a sudden turn would flip any other animal. But the cheetah uses its tail as a biological rudder. By swinging its tail in opposition to its turn, it creates a counter-torque, neutralizing the centrifugal force that would otherwise send it tumbling. It also leverages ground reaction forces. By minimizing the time its feet spend on the ground, it reduces energy loss to friction. It is a dance of rotational advantage and aerodynamics, a design that engineers are only just beginning to decode. We are entering a robotic renaissance. Engineers are no longer building rigid machines. They are building soft robots with flexible spines and compliant paws. By mimicking the cheetah's granular biomechanics, the next generation of quadrupedal robots will navigate disaster zones with the same grace as a hunt on the Serengeti. They will be lighter, faster, and, most importantly, hyper-efficient. The cheetah remains our ultimate teacher. As we look to the future of automation, we find that the most advanced technology on Earth isn't made of silicon and steel. It's made of bone, muscle, and a million years of evolution.